The Lada Priora is a compact car produced by the Russian automaker AvtoVAZ since March 2007. It is largely a restyled and modernized Lada 110 and replaced it in 2009. By May 16, 2012, 590,000 Prioras had been produced. Starting model year 2016, the Priora is not available for export market and has been replaced by Lada Vesta, but is still available domestically. July 16, 2018, in the network appeared photo of the last body Lada Priora in the welding shop of the car factory, decorated with colored balloons and covered with a poster with the inscription "Last." The photo was taken on July 13 at about 2 p.m. On the poster in the photo there is another date, July 11. The model will still be assembled using previously welded bodies, including the last, a few days. On July 17, 2018, AutoVAZ confirmed the cessation of Priora production in an official release. VAZ 2170, base sedan, produced since March 2007. VAZ 2171 universal, station wagon, produced since May 2009. VAZ 2172, 5-door hatchback, produced since February 2008. VAZ 2172 coupe, 3-door hatchback, based on the 5-door hatchback, limited production since January 18, 2010. VAZ 21708 Priora Premier, long wheelbase version of the sedan, with an extra 175mm small-scale production by AvtoVAZ partners EAO Super Auto. Equipped with a 120 HP 1.8-liter VAZ 21128 engine, low-volume production since the autumn of 2008. Also, convertible versions are going to be produced in small numbers, according to the demand. In June 2011, AvtoVAZ announced that they will offer soon a version with a 90 HP engine. The weight will be reduced by 39% compared to the 98 HP basic engine. The engine will be more long-lasting with up to 200,000 km mileage. In August 2011, a new version named Lada Priora CNG was announced. It is powered by gasoline and compressed natural gas, CNG. The fuel tank capacity is also 43-liter and the 4 gas tanks 96-liter. The range with gasoline is 580 kilometers 360 miles and 330 kilometers 205 miles with CNG. On May 22, 2018, AvtoVAZ announced the long-rumored end of Priora sedan production by July 2018. Hatchback and station wagon had already ended production by end of 2015 as sedan accounted for over 80% of sales mix. However, as has informed AvtoVAZ, the press service of AvtoVAZ, the specific decisions on this issue are still pending. A model of demand, its production continues, so said AvtoVAZ, the press service of the company. Base Prioras comes with a standard driver's side airbag and electric power steering. Since May 2008, Lada Priora offers a Lux package, which includes passenger airbag, and more recently front side airbags, seat belt pretensioners in the front seats, ABS, and parking sensors. In addition, some packages add standard air conditioning with climate control, integrated audio with Bluetooth hands-free, heated front seats, automatic headlamps, and rain sensor. In April 2010, an optional multimedia system was added to the options list, followed by a navigation system in early 2011. On the other hand, electronic stability control and fully automatic transmission are not offered. The car received a 1.6L engine with 16 valves and a new transmission, designed to transfer torque of 145 Nm, and a box set of closed transmission bearings with an extended lifespan. The maximum speed of the Priora 1.8L is 190 km per hour 118 miles per hour, with acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 10 seconds. Lada Priora 1.6 AMT, 106 HP, equipped with an automated manual transmission, debuted in 2014. The AMT gearbox is made on the base of a standard 5-speed manual transmission, but was supplemented with electro-hydraulic actuators and an electronic control unit of the ZF Group. The Lada Sport team contested the latter part of the 2009 World Touring Car Championship season with a trio of Prioras, having started the season with Lada 110s. The car scored 5.4 points out of 16 in a frontal crash test conducted by the Russian RCAP Safety Assessment Program in 2007, and was awarded 1 star out of 4. A newer version of the car scored 10.6 points out of 16.